right, that was awesome. Brand new TidalWave Auto Spa Car Wash here at Washington, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Special guest right here, my dog Tally, who loves car washes. This wasn't anything until the land was up for sale, until the popular car wash company has decided to buy it. And this one did, I think it did a phenomenal job. Here's your vacuums. We're not going to vacuum today, it's cold. And anyway, so I'm not going to be able to show the results, but sorry, I guess I just said because I wanted to get my mom to take pictures of triple film. Other than that, go from there. So that being said, there's another car wash up ahead. Then down there is a few more, but I already filmed those in that one, across the street from a few years ago. Here's Olive Garden, where I don't work for that one. I work for the one that's off of Pointe. It's Pennsylvania. So that being said, thank you for watching. That is all. See ya.